doing?
I told you I'm leaving. Bye. I'm leaving.
We're just looking. Just looking.
Oh God.
That might gave me a freaking heart attack. What's up, Exeters? Today, today we have exited off in the state of Nevada to none other than the ET Highway. So, we have decided to start, well, we didn't decide, it kind of worked out like this. We have started at the other end of the extraterrestrial highway. So there's two ends. Since we were coming from California, we came up this long freaking road. And we're at one end where there's a sign. At the other end of this road, about 98-ish miles, is another one of these signs, and it's the more of the main one. There's a store, there's a rest area, but we're on this side, so we're going all the way through. We're gonna try to find the front and or back gate to Area 51. Fingers crossed. Stop in at the little store, maybe get a souvenir, something. Maybe see a UFO if we're lucky. Maybe even come across a little green man or gray man, either one.
I want a paw.
Or blue.
We'll take a paw home.
Huh?
Yeah, I mean, we could see Paul and take him home. That would be awesome. So, all right. So we're excited. We're pumped. Been waiting for this a long time. So
We've already passed a sign that said low-flying aircrafts.
yep. So we're gonna keep our eyes peeled towards the sky, and maybe we'll see something. So join us on this adventure.
So if you want to stay the night here, they have some trailers set up.
It's even
Range
got
from
the
about $175 a night and up. Everybody putting their stickers on it.
Go ahead.
Too bad we don't have any stickers yet. Sucks. Got some drawings on the trash cans over here. And Those are the trailers right there you can rent. If you want to stay the night, maybe do you a little search in the skies at night, see if you could see something. This is a restaurant inside of there.
All the brown eyes are the best.
So this is the monument from Independence Day, the movie. The cast and crew put it up here with a time capsule that is not to be opened until the year 2050. Even has a little alien head at the bottom with black eyes. See if I can get close. The filmmakers and cast of Independence Day. They put it here April 18th, 1996. Pretty cool. Independence Day.
Okay, so coming from the back end on the ET Highway, basically just go until you get to Rachel, to the little inn, because that's going to be your first stop. I would say it's probably about 55 miles from the back end. So after you leave the little alien inn, it is your second right, the first being a gas station, which is a little bitty tiny building with 3 pumps out in front of it. So right now we are driving looking for the second turn in. And
That is roughly 1.7 miles from the little alien.
And this will be the road that takes us to the back gate of Area 51. So also inside of the little alien, they allow you to video like outside, you know, obviously like we did, but they won't let you take any video of the inside. And I have to say though, like I'll put a picture of my burger in on the video. It was freaking amazing.
Yeah, my burger was freaking
It was so good. The French fries were good.
I got the saucer burger and it was awesome.
I think mine was like the alien burger.
So here we go. There's a stop sign there, that's the only thing. And we got about 10 miles and it's going to turn back into a paved road. That tells you how big it is, because if this is the back gate, the front gate is another 30 something miles in the direction we were just going.
We also picked up some little souvenirs. Dude, AJ, show them what you got. She don't care. Okay, I'll show you. I see it in there.
And this road goes
Is that to put in people's eyes? Is that one got abs? Oh, I thought it had abs, like a six pack.
So this road going to the back gate goes right behind Rachel, Nevada, which is the little alien inn, because it's over here to our right. So.
It's it's blurry. You gotta put your hand behind it. Okay. And then I got the shot glass. This little alien in on the back, Rachel Nevada. So the stuff in there is kind of pricey, but like the food is kind of high. My burger was like $10.99, and then if you get fries, it was extra $1.99. But I mean, it's expected. It's a small town; they gotta make their money.
Yeah, and
It's
it's
worth it. Like the burger was good.
Oh yeah, I would easily. Mine was $12.99 and it came with fries. I would easily pay the $12.99 for that burger again because that was a great burger.
Yeah, whoever cooked it, if you ever watch this video, good job.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you can see in our mirror, all that dust we're kicking up. It's just like my brother told me. I remember whenever I was little, we were going down this dirt road, we were kicking up all kinds of dust. He's like, oh, look behind us, it's like a Batman smoke screen. Batman!
Okay, so
I'm so confused,
we
guys.
left the little alien in. The guy was right, 1.7 miles. It's a long, long dirt road that turns into a paved road with a crap load of potholes, and we almost lost the SUV in one because I thought it was covered up. Anyway, so we've reached the back gate of Area 51. So under no circumstances are you allowed to touch this gate, step your pinky toe over it, because they have been authorized to use deadly force. You'll be shot on sight. I'm pretty sure back over here on the mountains, they're probably already listening to us. They probably already see us. How you doing? We're just looking.
I flick a boogie on the gate right now.
So we're definitely not gonna cross it. None of us want to die today, but we are here at the back gate. So something I never thought I'd, get to experience. So here we are. We're gonna go a little closer just to get shots, but all in all, this is the back gate.
Get some shots.
Get shot. So this is the back gate of Area 51. Like I said, it's just a little fence, but they're not in any way like worried about anybody crossing this fence. And it don't look like much, but when you get up on it, they've wrapped everything in razor wire. So number one, you're not going to cross through that, even if you wanted to. And number two, I'm pretty sure they're not at all worried about, like I said, anybody crossing it, because they probably got some kind of sharpshooter, long range something to take you out as soon as you even put a toe over the line. So
Deadshot.
Deadshot.
That's an actual thing. He's real. Y'all didn't know that.
He's real, he's mean. Sorry.
So you're not allowed to fly drones over this, obviously, because it's Area 51 and it's, the government. You can get close, but like we said, you don't touch anything. You don't cross anything. There's warning signs everywhere. Photography of this area is prohibited, so make sure you keep that on me. This is considered a military installation, so obviously, but you're a brave soul for feeling that.
Oh my God!
Dang!
I told you I was.
We're just looking. Just looking.
Oh God!
That might gave me a freaking heart attack.
I was there in there laughing at us.
Probably because we was all like, dang! That didn't happen to Grim Life Collective whenever they were out here. And she was like all up on that that thing. Probably because they see that big old that camera and stuff in your hand.
They had their camera too.
No.
Booga's like, I'm gone.
Boo like,
suckers
we
is
gotta
bad.
go.
Bye, suckers. Oh, I wonder if I got that. How's this videoing right now?
Booga and Kiki's like, nope,
They're gone.
gotta go.
That scared the crap out of me.
Oh yeah, it made me jump.
I was not expecting. It's so quiet out here.
I wonder why they blew that horn anyway, because we were a good still 20 feet from the gate and we were just standing there reading the signs. Like, it's kind of weird.
Nope. So we made it to the gift shop 1 minute too late. And already closed. Okay, so we think we have found the front entrance. So we have found the road that looks like it keeps going into the sky. And we're fighting darkness now. Trying to get there before the sun goes down.
Nevada to be processed. This as far as we can go?
Yes. Don't go. Don't be idiots. Oh my God, I'm keep going.
Okay, so we ran into this sign, but no gate. And we have a buddy up here.
Oh my God, my booty was crunching so bad.
Maybe we should
And camo guy up there with his headlights on,
Maybe we should just turn around.
sitting up on that hill.
Loading. I'm gonna vomit. Why is that tree so hairy?
the Joshua tree.
There's camo guy up on the hill over there, sitting there watching us,
Oh, he's probably listening to us too.
listening to Booga talking about her booty hole clenching.
Oh, he's probably got high-powered binoculars and a listening device pointed straight at our vehicle right now.
What if I pull my pants down? Don't do that. No one's trying to see my face.
Hey, Mr. Camo guy, if you can hear me, can we go on a little further? Is there?
Okay, so I don't remember this sign being on any other videos we've watched. I mean, it was like on their video, but there was a yellow gate right here. So,
We're not 100% sure if they took the gate down and this is where the gate was, or if the gate is on a further and this sign is new. And we're not really willing to risk this being the old gate and us crossing it. And
especially after we got the horn blowed on us earlier.
yeah, after being at the back gate and them blowing the horn, and that's never happened to anybody else that has video down there, we're not willing to risk that gate being gone and this being the actual boundary and crossing it.
So, we'll see if we can find the black mailbox, I guess, if it's not gone.
All right.
We've been cruising back and we started seeing these lights up above us sitting there on the road. It's really bumpy, sorry, this camera's like bouncing all over the place. So it doesn't look like the lights are moving towards us, it looks like they're just sitting there.
he could still be sitting up on that hill, and that's why we're seeing it, because he's higher up right now than what we are. Tell me to stop. That vehicle's moving. Man, it's a Mustang. Man.
The ones that were behind us are gone now.
And somebody turned off on one of them other little roads. So I saw them going back over that way.
I can still see him.
I really think that was that camo dude behind us.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the lights are completely gone now. Alright, so we made it to E.T. Fresh Jerky. This at the beginning of the E.T. Highway. And you can actually write on the bathroom door with colorful markers or chalk. So we are leaving our mark on E.T. Fresh Jerky. There it is right there.
What's today's date?
The 4th. Yeah. Exit to adventure. Alright guys, so we finally made it to the Black Mailbox. And there it is in all of its wondrous alien glory.
I'm sacrificing a gummy bear.
AJ's leaving him a gummy bear.
He's kind of cool.
As you can see, people have put stickers on it. I don't believe in humans. I did that. Let's go, Brandon. Yeah, Area 51. All kinds of stickers people leave. This is the back of the Black Mailbox. Looks like people wrote on it, left stickers. Beam me up, Scotty. And then you can, it says, no U.S. mail. This is not a USPS pickup, alien mail only. And then you can open it up. You see people have left more stickers. No U.S. mail. They leave all kinds of stuff in here. Biden did that, I did that. And there's AJ's gummy bear. Somebody even left a baby picture. So. Alright, and we actually have a little bit of a crescent moon in the distance. So our plan is to sit here and see if we can see any fire in the sky. I see a few stars. It had been raining a little bit when we were on our way out here. But it looks like it's clearing up, so hopefully we get to see something. Black Mailbox, can't believe it. Checked off the bucket list, actually made it here. It's awesome. Alright guys, so that wraps up this exit and this adventure here down the E.T. Highway. So you guys got to witness everything. Them blowing the horn at us at the back gate. The camouflage guys at the front gate.
The Mustang scaring the crap out of us.
And then as we're coming back towards the end of the ET highway. I don't know if it showed up on camera, but we saw what, I mean, to me, it had to be 2 UFOs, because they were in the sky, bright lights. One went away, then it came back. The other one went away, then it came back. Then they were both gone. And then Renee saw what looked like a light coming from the sky back down to the ground, and it was gone. So, I mean, I don't know what else to call it. I mean, maybe it was, maybe it wasn't. Who knows? Leave your comments, let us know. Also, don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell so you don't miss out on any other videos we post. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, comment, let us know if you liked it, if you have any experiences out here or any UFO experiences in general.
Yep.
Cool. All right. Catch you guys down the road at the next exit. Later. Should have zoomed in on